welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I worked this morning. I worked a half a day. Today is Wednesday. My kids had a half day, so they are actually each at play dates, and I just have a bunch of general cleaning, organizing, some decluttering. I have to make a grocery list, all of that. So we are going to get it all done today. I have so much to do, and I have about an hour and a half, maybe two, to get it done. So I'm going to make my list. I will share my list with you guys and then we will get started. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new, I would love for you guys to subscribe and join my channel here, and let's get started. I made my list. I'm sure, like most of you, I have been collecting packages and just letting them sit and not actually like opening them. So I have a bunch of packages to open. I need to take care of this table over here. It's always like full of papers and clutter and all of that. So I need to do that. I need to wipe down all the kitchen counters. They're all like wicked dirty. I don't know what happened. I have laundry to do. I have Leighton's room. I cleaned out a bunch of her drawers the other day, and she just has piles of summer clothes and clothes that do not fit her, just sitting in two different piles for like the last 3 days. I also need to go through my dresser and tidy my drawers and just kind of organize that a little bit. And I do want to hopefully vacuum, and I'm definitely gonna vacuum. Kevin vacuumed a couple hours ago, but I want to mop the floors. So hopefully I get to just vacuum again real quick to pick up any like dust that's settled and get the floors mopped as well. So that's my plan, and let's see how much I can get done.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, bend open my heart like you're.
So now that we have the packages taken care of, I'm just getting everything cleared off on this table. It is definitely a catch-all in our house for mail, for the kids' paperwork from school, for receipts, anything we buy that we don't put away right away. It's just definitely a catch-all. So I like to make sure I go through everything and definitely give this a good cleaning and a good wipe down every couple of days.
I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Now I am just going through with my thieves cleaner, and I'm going to wipe down all of the counters and get all of the crumbs and all of that stuff wiped down and cleaned off, because I feel like our countertops, just because of the color and the granite, like the design in it, it hides stuff so well. So like I'll clean it and then I'll walk in the kitchen and the light is hitting the countertops in a certain way, and I'm like, ew, there's smudge marks or there's crumbs that I missed and all of that. So I wipe the counters down several times a day to avoid any of that.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time. dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh.
All right, so now we are heading into Leighton's bedroom, and I had gone through her drawers earlier in the day and pulled out all of her summer stuff that was just taking up so much space in her drawers, and now I'm just going through everything to see what is pretty much too small for her now that definitely will not fit her come the summer. So I am putting all of that in a trash bag, and we are actually donating all of that. But I'm just separating everything into piles of what I'm going to move up. I have bins up in the attic for all of us, actually, for summer clothes, for things we don't wear very often, but we want to keep, things like that.
You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby.
Now I am doing the same process in my bedroom. I'm just moving things that are summer stuff, shorts. I had a bunch of stuff just kind of taking up space in my drawers in my room as well. So I'm making a pile, and I'm also going through and decluttering a bunch of clothes as well, because I really just don't need all of these clothes. It's kind of ridiculous. I add and buy things and then get rid of them, and it's like an endless cycle. But I think we all do the same thing. But I'm gonna go through, clean out everything, declutter a bunch of stuff, and like I said, move my stuff up to the bins upstairs, as well as all of the kids for like our off-season clothes.
Just watch me breaking. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound.
All right, so Austin has a birthday party that we have to get ready to do. So I have laundry to do when we get back. I did Leighton's room. Oops, help, the pen was clicked. I did Leighton's room, and I also tidied my dresser, and we had to put the stuff up in the attic still. And I'm going to order groceries while I am waiting. Oops. All right, so I got all of that stuff done, and I'm going to bring my grocery list, and I'm going to make my grocery list, or I'm going to order groceries. I haven't decided. I haven't been liking AEL. So put an A.
I could have done my own, never mind.
All right, and now write it in the front. So I can't decide. I haven't been liking grocery pickup, so I might just go out early tomorrow after the kids get on the bus and go grocery shopping, but we will see. But and then I just need to put the stuff in the attic, which I will probably do tomorrow because I have to go through the Christmas decorations tomorrow and finish Christmas decorating, just a few last minute things that we haven't put up yet, and then I'm gonna film a whole house tour as well. So then when I get back tonight, I am going to, what am I gonna do tonight? I need to mop and vacuum and then mop. So, but we are gonna go bring Austin to a birthday party.
And this is how I write it Rodent.
And we have to go pick up Leighton's friend.
Light.
Oh, sweet. There you go. Nice. Good job. So it is several hours later. It is almost 8 o'clock. I came home, I changed. I put like jeans and like a sweater on to go to the birthday party. Came home to another stack of Amazon boxes, and we went to the birthday party. Then we went to dinner with some friends. We just went to like Panera and let the kids kind of have fun, and another mom and I had fun and just like talked to my friend and had dinner together and all that. So the kids are just taking showers now. They're usually in bed at 7:30, so this is a lot. But they are taking showers now. I'm gonna open these other Amazon boxes, put all this stuff away. I have zero idea what's in them. And then what else? I need to vacuum and I need to mop. So I'm actually gonna get the vacuuming done now because it's kind of loud. And my kids, I mean, once they fall asleep, but I don't want to wait till like 9 o'clock to start mopping. So we're gonna mop, and then we will wash these floors, and then I guess that will be it. And then I am filming another video tomorrow, which is like a grocery haul and all of that good stuff. So that will be in that portion of the video, because I know my like to-do list was to make my grocery list, which I did do. So that is done, and I guess just vacuuming and mopping. So that will be it. But that was the whole point of this whole spiel, was that we've been gone for like 4 hours when I thought I was gonna be gone for like an hour and a half. But I mean, everything always ends up taking longer. The birthday party ran late. They had so much fun. There was 21 boys at like a jumpy place, and they just like ran amok. They had a blast. They were like wrestling and jumping and just you name it, they did it. So they had a blast. But it is 8 o'clock, and the last thing, like I said, I really want to do is to vacuum and do all of these things that were still on my to-do list. But I have another whole to-do list tomorrow, and tomorrow is my only day off. So I'm off this weekend, but I worked Monday, I worked Tuesday, I worked today, and I have tomorrow off, and I'm working a full day on Friday. So I really need to get all of this done, so that way I don't have to worry about it the rest of the week. So we are going to plug on and get this ish done. Now I'm just getting the floors vacuumed, and then I'm going to get ready to mop. But in editing this video, I realized I've been wearing the same sweatshirt in all of my videos lately. I apparently just really love this sweatshirt. It is like my favorite comfy holiday sweatshirt, but I'm wearing it in almost every single video that I've put up lately. So sorry for that, but it is super cute. I got it at Marshall's, and it's from American Eagle like a few years ago, but it's so cute. But now I'm just getting my appliances cleaned. I'm using the Wissmann stainless steel cleaner. This one is my favorite. It really cleans very well. It doesn't leave a ton of streaks. It really works well, and it doesn't have like a super strong scent, which I appreciate. Last thing on my list, I got the floor's done and everything vacuumed as you saw, and I also cleaned the appliances because I forgot. I have a huge load of laundry to do, and I have also a load of laundry in the dryer from last night, which I totally forgot about. I switched it over this morning, but then I went to work and was doing all sorts of stuff, and then obviously, like I told you guys, we were already out and about tonight. So I'm going to go wash up, get ready for bed, fold that load of laundry, and watch an episode of Maid. I'm almost done with it, so I'm going to finish that up and just relax for the rest of the night. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you clicking on this video and watching and supporting my channel. If you are new, I would love for you to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.